Let's be honest. How many words have you ever tried to learn? And then right after 5 minutes, you've forgotten them. You see a word, you write it down in a notebook, maybe repeat it for a few times, and then poof, it's gone. Like it was never there. Sounds familiar? Yes, we all have been there, but here's the truth. The problem isn't you, it's your method. So in today's video, I'll show you fun, effective and brain-friendly ways to learn vocabulary so that it's sticking. No more forgetting words right after 5 minutes. Let's make those words stick in your brain forever. Step 1. Stop memorizing and start making connections. Let's ditch boring definition memorizing method because your brain doesn't like memorizing random stuff. It loves meanings. So instead of this, generous is someone who gives a lot. You can, connect this word to some family member or friends you have who share their thing a lot. For example, Sarah is so generous. She gave her last French fry to me. Now your brain connects the word to a real person and a story. That's how memory works. The stronger the emotional or the personal connection is, the longer your brain will contain that word in your mind. If the next time you're memorizing a new vocabulary, ask 2 questions to yourself. The first one is, where do I see this in my life? The second one is there something or someone that I can connect this word to? Use visuals or stories. Our brain loves to remember pictures more than plain text. That's why we are more likely to remember memes or logos. So the next time if you're trying to learn a new vocabulary, try to create a silly story or any silly image in your mind regarding that new word. For example, we take the word exhausted. Try imagining a cat wearing pajamas, laying on a bed, holding a coffee mug and saying, "I'm so exhausted." It's weird, right? But that is the reason why you'll remember it, because it's weird. The weirder, the better. Repeat the word 3 times. Why? Because repetition means a memory, but of course not in a boring way. Use a word in 3 different situations. We'll be taking the example of exhausted here as well. So the first one is, text it to a friend. You say, "I am so exhausted after work." Say it out loud to your cat or to a wall or to anyone or to yourself as well. "I'm so exhausted. I need snacks." Write it down in your notes or any journal you have. Whenever your brain will see this word, it will say, "That must be important," and the word will be locked in your mind. Learn the words in context, not alone. Let's just not learn the word run. Learn it in a sentence. For example, I want to run away from a to-do list. Context means real use of that word. You'll be learning the grammar, the meaning of that word, and also the vibe all at once. That's why we say make sentences of the vocabularies that you have learned, because that's the only way you'll be able to use those words in your real life and you'll get the meaning and you'll be able to connect that word to your life. Learning vocabulary shouldn't be painful, right? It should be visual, fun, and weird. And remember, the best words are the only words that you use in your life. So let's not just memorize and live with them. Tell me in the comments, which is that one darn word that you always forget. Let's help each other. Like to this video if this helped you. Subscribe for more lazy genius tips. I'll see you in the next one, Word Wizard. Until then, bye-bye.